Hey friends, it's Jake. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so excited to have you here today as we dive into a topic that's close to my heart. And I know it's on a lot of your minds too. Eating healthy without breaking the bank. Does the thought of eating healthy make you think of overflowing grocery bills and complicated recipes? Think eating healthy is too expensive? Well, think again. I'm here to tell you that nutritious and delicious meals don't have to cost a fortune. You don't need fancy ingredients, those exotic spices, or the most expensive cuts of meat. You also don't need a big budget to eat well. It's all about making smart choices and knowing where to look for value. It just takes a little creativity. We're going to unlock the secrets to affordable and healthy eating. It's about being resourceful and making smart choices, learning how to stretch your ingredients and find the best deals. Today, I'll show you how to create easy, budget-friendly meals that taste great. We're talking about meals that are satisfying and full of flavor. Meals that nourish your body and keep you feeling good. We're making magic with everyday items you can actually afford. Simple ingredients that are accessible to everyone. So grab a seat and let's make healthy eating simple and joyful. Let's get cooking. Let's kick off with oatmeal, a breakfast staple that's been fueling people for generations. It's a blank canvas for your culinary creativity and a nutritional powerhouse to boot. Cheap, filling, and endlessly customizable, oatmeal is the budget-friendly breakfast champion. Whether you prefer it creamy and smooth or with a bit of texture, the possibilities are truly endless. Top it with whatever you have, raid your fridge and pantry. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations. Fresh or frozen fruit adds natural sweetness and a burst of vitamins. Berries, bananas, apples, they all work wonders. A sprinkle of cinnamon not only enhances the flavor but also adds a touch of warmth and comfort. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference. Or a handful of nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, they provide healthy fats, protein, and a satisfying crunch. Oatmeal gives you lasting energy, keeping you full and focused throughout the morning. It's the perfect fuel for a productive day and can be different every day. One day it's berries and cream, the next it's nuts and seeds. Never a dull moment with this versatile breakfast. It's a warm, comforting breakfast, a hug in a bowl that soothes the soul, perfect for chilly mornings or whenever you need a little pick-me-up. That's good for your body and your wallet. A nutritious and affordable way to start your day without breaking the bank. Start your day strong with a bowl of goodness that will keep you going. No fancy stuff needed, just simple ingredients and a little bit of love. Got leftover veggies? Stir-fry them up with rice. Any mix of vegetables works. Just chop, sauté, and add a simple sauce of soy, garlic, and a touch of sweetness. Serve over rice or quinoa for a filling, balanced meal. It's quick, flexible, and perfect for using up what's in your fridge. Delicious, nutritious, and budget-friendly. What's not to love? Bean chili is a hearty, affordable classic. Use canned or dried beans, tomatoes, onion, and your favorite spices. Let it simmer for big flavor. Add veggies like corn or bell pepper if you have them. Serve it solo, over rice, or with bread. Leftovers taste even better. Comfort food that's good for you and your wallet. Lentil soup is a budget superstar. Protein-packed, filling, and easy. Sauté onion, carrot, and celery. Add lentils and broth, season and simmer. Toss in tomatoes or greens if you like and finish with a squeeze of lemon. Serve with bread for a complete meal. Simple, wholesome, and so satisfying. Chickpea salad is fresh, fast, and full of protein. Mix canned chickpeas with chopped veggies, a little mayo or lemon, and seasonings. Add herbs if you have them. Serve in a sandwich, wrap, or on greens. It's perfect for meal prep and super affordable. Healthy eating doesn't get easier than this. Roast whatever veggies are on sale. Carrots, broccoli, sweet potatoes, you name it. Toss with oil and seasonings, roast until golden, and serve over whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. Batch cook grains for easy meals all week. This combo is colorful, filling, and packed with nutrients. Eating well can be simple and beautiful. For snacks, try homemade popcorn. Cheap, quick, and customizable. Season it your way. A little salt, nutritional yeast, or spices. Or grab plain yogurt, top with seeds and fruit for a protein-rich snack. Buy yogurt in big tubs to save money and add your own healthy toppings. Smart snacking keeps you satisfied and on budget. See? It's more attainable than you might think. Healthy eating doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, with a little planning and some smart shopping, you can nourish your body without emptying your wallet. Look for seasonal produce, buy in bulk when possible, and don't be afraid to explore less expensive protein sources like beans and lentils. Try these meals. We've curated a selection of delicious and affordable recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights or weekend meal prep. From hearty soups and stews to vibrant salads and satisfying grain bowls, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And discover how easy and tasty it can be to create nutritious meals on a budget. You might be surprised at how much flavor you can pack into a simple dish with the right herbs, spices, and cooking techniques. Budget-friendly food can be. It's all about making informed choices and prioritizing whole, unprocessed ingredients. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in both your health and your finances. Start small, one new recipe at a time, and gradually incorporate more healthy habits into your routine, and enjoy the process. Cooking should be a joyful experience, not a chore. Put on some music, invite a friend to join you, and savor the satisfaction of creating something delicious and nourishing with your own hands. Share your own tips in the comments. We'd love to hear your favorite budget-friendly recipes, grocery shopping strategies, and meal prep hacks. And join our community. Connect with like-minded individuals who are passionate about healthy eating and living well on a budget. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas, inspiration, and delicious recipes. Take care, eat well, and remember that nourishing your body is an act of self-love. And keep shining bright. You've got this.